Hey everybody, welcome back to Peak State Mathematics. We're going to turn up the speakers, get the energy flowing so we can learn in peak state. Let's go! Welcome back to Peak State Mathematics. We're looking at the midpoint algebra. Basically, we're doing some algebra with midpoints. We know that B is the midpoint of AC in this type of problem, which tells us directly that AB is equal to BC. Therefore, we can just substitute the two parts in, set them equal to each other, 4x minus 3 equals 2x plus 7, and then solve for x. So let's get our variable same side, 2x minus 3 equals 7. Isolate your variable, 2x equals 10, and you'll see x equals 5 when you get the coefficient to 1. Now to find AC, which is actually what the question is looking for, make sure you always answer the question, not just find x, you're going to plug x back into the equation. Note that AC is the sum of those two parts, or you could take one part and multiply by 2. We'll see how that plays out here in a second. For x, which is 5 minus 3 plus 2x plus 7 is going to give us 17 plus 17 as we simplify those. And sure enough, that step shows us that each segment was congruent, which is what we were expecting. Therefore, AC must be equal to 34. So there's a quick example for you. Good luck. You've got 2 more to try on your own. Have an awesome day, and always learn in peak state. Hey everybody, thanks so much for watching this video lesson. I hope you enjoyed it and you learned something. Please hit subscribe so you have access to all of our video lessons. And if you want live, free tutoring with me every single Monday, check out peakstatemathematics.com and sign up for that. Until next time, remember, always learn in a peak state.